Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create a YouTube channel step by step, including the key optimization settings that most people miss that will help you maximize your results even if you have already started. Hey, Pratt here from YouTube Business Community, where we help you amplify your channel, business, brand with technology and educational videos. Now, if you're new here to our channel, I request you to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for future notifications. So let's jump into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to head over to the YouTube channel. Just type in a YouTube channel in any browser and then click enter. You can see the sign in button on the top right hand corner. Click on that and we will be prompted to the login page. Now, so if you already got a Google account or a Gmail address, this is where you will log in with that. That will help you associate with your existing YouTube account. Now, in this case, I have a Gmail ID linked to YouTube account. Once you enter the Gmail ID in it, in the credential box, like this is my Gmail ID, I'll just put next, and that will take me to the password page. If I don't have a Gmail account linked to the YouTube account, I can click on the create account button and I can create it here. Now, before we go any further in this tutorial, now there are two channels that you need to be aware of. This is the first personal channel, and that is linked to your personal Google account or your personal Gmail account. The other thing to know with the personal channel is that your YouTube channel name is going to be restricted to your account name, which in most cases is going to be your own name. Now, the first two options which you see for myself and for my child, these are your personal channel or accounts, right? Now, the next that you see at the bottom, to manage my businesses, that's your business account. Now, important thing to understand about the second option is it's a brand channel that people use instead of a personal channel, and this is going to give you access to things like custom channel name, so it doesn't need to be your own personal name. And you can also assign other people or other Google accounts as your channel manager if you select this option. Now, so you need to select either personal or a brand channel, but do note that you can switch from a personal channel to a brand channel at any later date. But I would recommend, as an user of as a YouTuber as well, that you should always select a brand channel as your YouTube channel. Okay, so in this case, as I said, I have a email ID linked to a YouTube account which I mentioned here. So let's click on next. That will take me to the page where I need to put in my Gmail password. Here I'll put in my Gmail password. Okay, now we are signed into our YouTube channel using our Google account. Now you can, on the top, you can see my account details. That's my Gmail address as well as my account name. Now, if you are logging in for the first time, you must have not created the channel here. So this is the option to create your channel. You can click on create a channel option. Okay, that will take you to the next step where you can customize your name. Here you can enter whatever name you want to give it to your channel. Let's call it as in YouTube community as our channel name. Okay, about that, you can see you can as well upload the picture. You can upload any logo, any picture that you want that will be displayed on your channel. Let's click on create channel here and your channel will be created. Okay. Now you can see your channel is created. YouTube community here, whatever display logo you are gonna or the photo you're gonna upload will display here. Now, once this is done, you wanted to monetize your channel. On the left hand side, you can see you are again on the YouTube Studio, and on the different categories, you can see a monetization option. Click on the monetization option. That will take you to the page where you can monetize with the eligibility criteria. You can see there are certain criteria that you need to match to be eligible to monetize your channel. That is, you need to have 1,000 subscribers. for any content that you are putting in or for your channel. You need to have 4,000 minutes of watch history. That will come through various content that you will put on your channel. And once these two criterias are met, then only you will be eligible to monetize your channel. And for that, another steps are the verification step. Your channel is already verified, so no need to do this step at this point of time. Once you meet the above criteria, you will receive a notification from the YouTube itself. Let's say you have 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 minutes of watch history. You can click notify me when I'm eligible, and YouTube will send you an email with the notification. And as you can see, we will send you an email when you are eligible to apply for that. Now, the last option is some community strikes. Whatever content that you are putting need to be the original content. If it is copy pasted or you have used somebody else's content, you might get in community strikes, which will hinder your monetization aspect of the channel if you are a YouTuber. So that's it from us, friends, today. If you are new to the channel, as I said, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification buttons for the future videos. So like, comment,